Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a review of the Sheglam Automatic Curling Iron. So we have right here the Sheglam Automatic Curling Iron that has been gaining attention as a budget-friendly tool that promises effortless curls with just the push of a button. So marketed as a portable and easy to use and safe with anti-burn technology. So it claims to deliver salon quality curls without the hassle of traditional irons. But is it worth it to buy or just another scam too? So the reviews are split. Many users like its lightweight design and quick results for casual curls, while others complain about uneven heating, short battery life, and curls that don't hold for long. It's handy for travel or quick touch up, but don't expect professional level styling or long lasting curls. So while this product is not a total scam, it's best seen as a convenient gadget for light use rather than a full replacement for a high-end curling iron.